Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius College. In this video we will discuss how to add the Canisius College Hero Act form to your home screen on a mobile device for easier access to it later. Before we start, I will be using Chrome on Android. First, we will need to go to My Canisius and log in. From there, scroll down until you see either the Need to Know section with a drop-down for the daily health screening or COVID-19 resources section with a link to the daily health screening form. Since I see the Need to Know section with the daily health screening drop-down first, I will tap that and then tap the link to the daily health screening form. Before I start filling out the form, I will want to add the form as an icon to the home screen for my mobile device. I'll tap on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. In the menu that appears, there is an option titled Add to Home Screen. It's just above the Desktop Site option. I'll tap Add to Home Screen and it will show me the site icon and also the site name. I can change the name if I want to make it a bit more informative by tapping on it. Maybe Canisius College Daily Health Screening or simply Daily Health Screening will do. After I customize the name, I will tap on Add in the lower right corner. A new menu may appear with a preview of the icon and the name. I can click on Add in the lower right again and it will add it to my home screen at the next open spot. When I'm done with the survey and tap on the home screen button, it will take me to the newly created icon. When I tap on that icon, it will take me to the Hero Act form in Google Chrome and I can fill out the form again as needed. That's it for this video. If you have any questions on adding the Hero Act form to the home screen, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. For other questions about the Hero Act, please contact HR@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.